everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from an Etsy shop called Sticker Monster Co. And I think that's really cute with the eyeball sticking there. So I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to kind of open it without destroying that sticker. All right, I think I got it. Yay! Let's see if I can just pull it off, because I think that's really cute. All right. So I have my invoice here. Oh yeah, yay! She was having a sale. She said, "Thank you, Tammy, for supporting our shop. We hope you love your goodies." And I think it's Jana, Kathy, and Lenka. And oh my goodness, I love them already, so I'm super excited. Oh. Okay, so first I got this little coffee cup that's filled with little goodies for my planner. Isn't that cute? Has little pens and a little flower, little ruler, and it's in pink. I kind of thought I got two of those, but maybe I didn't. I must not have, unless it's still in the package and I just didn't even see it. I'll have to look again. Nope. And let me see if I got to. Sorry, I should check this. One pink one. I must have thought I hit it twice, but I only hit it once, so I only got one. So I have one, and it is cute, and I love it. And then I found these tweezers that I thought were super cute. Oh my gosh. Aren't those cute? Can you see the different little girls? So I'm going to share these, but I thought they were adorable. Some cute washi on the back. Very nice packaging. So this is her Teresa's free sample, because that's right, I have a friend who PRs for her, and this is her free sample. How cute is that? Thanks, Teresa, for your code. Look at the laundry, and it's a monster sticker. That monster is really cute. I am liking it. And then this one looks like, I think it's just their, oh, it's the fall sampler. It says it on there. How cool. Home for the weekend. Yay! That will be for my daughter. Yay! Friday. These are cute. This is Teresa's free sample too. 2 free samples from Teresa. How cool is that? I like the multi-slacking. I think that's hilarious. So, let's see. These look like they are kits, and then these look like maybe they are the, I think there might be a kit in here. Okay, so I'm going to start with these, because it looks like it ends in kits, so then I'll end in the kits themselves. So the first one I have is a post office run. Super cute. Here's a whole sheet of the multi-slacking, which I think is funny and adorable. And here are some stickers, you know, the day of the month stickers. Monthly date covers, there we go. And they are snowflakes. This one says online shopping. I could use all of these in one day if I used one for each shop. And some cute coffee cups that you can draw or color if you want to, whatever you want. Or you can just leave them just like that. They're really cute. This is adorable. Movie on Hallmark tonight, and it has a sweet cup of coffee with some macaroons next to it. Oh, it's so cute. I love that. And I got 2 of those. Actually, I got 3 of those. I'm going to give them away. And you know what? I'm going to kind of try to... So these are all functionally stickers, but where is the date cover-up one? Here it is. I'll do it like this because I have more date cover-ups. Here's a snowman date cover-up. Those are adorable. And pumpkins. And this one is sweater weather, and there's just like a pile of sweaters. I thought that was cute. And apples. I got an apples for my daughter, who's going to be a teacher. And this says, shovel this crap, which is for all the snow that we will be getting. Probably not until January or February, but still. And this one's cute too, suit up. That's how I feel when I'm wearing a coat. And some heart-shaped date cover-ups. And then it looks like I have my kits. So this one is called Sweater Weather. And I didn't buy a ton. I bought, well, I don't know what I got. Looks like this one has 4 pages, but it just has 4 full boxes and then these quarter boxes. But look at how this is like all knitted, and there's a cat in there and knitted with coffee. I mean, that is screaming my name. And then here are the days of the week. And these are all little washi headers and check boxes. And then here are the half boxes. And this kit is called Sweater Vibes. And again, this is Sticker Monster Co. And you can find them at stickermonsterco.com. That's right, they weren't on Etsy. It was stickermonsterco.com. So check that out. Oh my goodness, I just love them. Cozy vibes. And then I have a thing for barns. I don't know what it is, but I love barns. And this one was just really cute. My dream house is like a log cabin on a farm with animals that somebody else can help take care of because they're so much work. But gosh, I love myself some animals. Look at that little dog. It looks like Lisa's Labradoodle. This says top 3, give thanks. This is pumpkin. This one's called Christmas Eve, and oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see how cute that is, but it is like realistic pictures, and I want one of these cookies right now. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And these have the days of the week written on them. It's really kind of hard to tell, but they are on there. And some half boxes. And that says Merry Christmas, and there's my top 3 again. And again, that kit's called Christmas Eve. This one is called Pumpkin Truck. Oh my goodness. Love this. I love all these little monsters he's cleaning and doing dishes and laundry. I'm gonna have to look again for some more functionals from them. I feel like I'm turning this upside down now. So here's the days of the week, and it's with sunflowers, which my daughter loves, so that will help make me think of her, which I never really need help, but it will be neat to think of her when I'm using this. And then this one is Christmas in the City. And this reminds me of being in Chicago. I go every year right after Thanksgiving for work, and this kit I think I'm going to have to use then because this is what it reminds me of. The most wonderful time of the year. Oh, and this is beautiful. It says fall. The fireplace and the flowers and the plaid and all of the cozy. Thankful. Oh, I love it. Hello, fall. And then we're back at this one. Okay. So that is everything from Sticker Monster Co. And I am definitely going to check them out for some more of their functionals because I really love that monster. I think he is adorable. So I think you guys should check out the store, see what you think. She has lots of cute little things. Like these are, you know, different things, but then she also has things like this and this. So check out her store. She's got some cute stuff, and I don't think you'd be disappointed. There's something for everyone. And if you go to or if you put the code Teresa in it, you will get her sticker sheet too. And I think she has a discount code, but I don't remember her link, so I can't give that to you. But look it up, Sticker Monster Co. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.